Hello and welcome back to KnotsByLaney. I'm Laney and today we have a yarn haul. So I purchased a lot of yarn for Christmas presents. This isn't all of the yarn that I'll be purchasing for Christmas, but this is the majority of it, so I thought it would be fun to unbox it with you guys. Alright, I've been getting these packages slowly for the last few weeks, and I have been dying to open them, and the last one came yesterday, so let's get started. Number one. Oh. Why is it in a second plastic bag? Number one. Scarfie in this blue color. Oh, disclaimer. If you are a family member, you may not want to watch this video. You might get your Christmas present spoiled. I gave you the warning. It's now up to you what you do. So, we have this Scarfie in teal. I'm gonna make a scarf out of that. This one's also our second bag. Our second Scarfie, but this time in evergreen. Alright, now for the fun part. This box has like the majority of my yarn in it. So we'll start easy with the Lily's Sugar and Cream. I got Indigo and Overcast. I'm gonna make some koozies with this. I do need to purchase a lot more cotton yarn for koozies. I just knew I liked these two together, so I got them already. But I'm planning on making a bunch in a bunch of different colors. So that's some of the yarn that I still need to purchase. Then we got two of the Mandala Ombres in Harmony. I'm making a scarf out of this as well. Most people are getting a scarf this year. I haven't made scarves for people in a very long time, so there's that. Next up, we have Respun Lion brand. What color are you in? In wine. Have way more than I need. Then we got a Mandala bonus bundle in Centaur. This will be a fun scarf as well. And then next, oh, You've been so excited for these boxes. I know, it's like you got Christmas early, you get cardboard boxes. You gonna sleep in there while I do this? Okay. We got a bunch of this orange in, it's the 1 pound of love in pumpkin spice. I got way more of this than I need, which means I get to make a project for myself as well. And then we got ourselves a cat in a box. A cat in the box. I gotta move you so I can get to the other box, baby girl. Are you ready to be relocated? No, probably not. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then the thing I am most excited for I have 4 of the tubular yarn from Joanns, the Big Twist, in wine. And with these, oh, sorry Nana, with these I'm going to be making an ottoman for my mom. So I will be doing a separate video for the ottoman to show you guys how I'm gonna do that. And then I might make a video of me just like whipping out scarves for Christmas. I bought tags from Etsy that should be here in a few days so I can label everything as handmade. But here's my yarn haul. You want the bigger box? Go ahead. One second. Ooh. So much trash. God, I really hope I was in frame for all of that. I should get a camera with a viewfinder so I can tell if I'm in frame. Okay, well, so this is about $150 worth of yarn, not gonna lie. And I still have more to buy. If you would like to see a video of me making all of the scarves and koozies and things like that, let me know in the comments down below. But that's it for this week's video. I will see you guys in the next couple weeks. I hope you all are enjoying preparing for the holiday season. I know I am. I'm probably gonna put my tree up this weekend. I'm so excited. And have a good day, y'all. Bye.